What if I told you that a 1 to 2% difference in return could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime, and that most people never notice it? Well, that's what the Rule of 72 exposes. This is one of the simplest money rules you'll ever learn, and once you see it, I promise that you'll never look at interest rates, credit cards, or investment returns the same way again. So let's talk about it. I am so happy to have you here with me today. Let's get started. The Rule of 72 is a quick mental shortcut that tells you how long it takes for your money to double. You simply take 72 and divide it by the rate of return that you have. And that's it. If your money is earning 6%, as an example, it's going to double in about 12 years. If it's earning 9%, it'll double in about 8 years. And at 12%, it doubles in just 6 years. This is the same money, but very different outcomes. So here's the mistake that I think most people make. They think that a few percentage points don't matter. But the Rule of 72 shows you exactly how fast or how slow your money is working. So if your savings account earns 1%, then you probably need to find a different savings account. But your money takes 72 years to double. And if inflation is running near that level, and it's most often running well above that, you're not growing. You're just treading water. Now, flip that around the other way. If you're carrying credit card debt at 24%, that balance doubles in just about 3 years if you don't attack it. Same rule, but completely different consequences. Now, this rule quietly forces a question that I think most people avoid. Is my money compounding for me or against me? Low returns stretch time, but high returns compress it. High interest debt does the same thing, but in the worst direction possible. And that's why small decisions of where you save, how you invest, and how fast you eliminate debt compound into massive differences over time. The Rule of 72 isn't about exact math, but it's more about helping you to have more clarity in your decision making. So I would encourage you to use it to compare investment options quickly or to spot when safe returns are actually costing you over time. See why delaying investing is more expensive than you might think, and understand why high interest debt is an emergency, not an inconvenience. Now, if the numbers that you see when you use the Rule of 72 surprise you, that might be your signal to look a little bit closer. And that's going to do it for today's video. The Rule of 72 is a simple way to see how time, returns, and decisions quietly shape your financial future, often more than income alone. Now, here's a quick question for you. What return rate surprised you the most when you did the math? Why don't you drop it in the comments below? I'd really love to see it. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next one. And why don't you feel free to share this with someone who thinks that a few percentage points doesn't matter. I want to thank you so much for watching, and as always, I encourage you to dream big, to live well, and to do great things. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.